Hey guys, it's Toyin here from O4G Media. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own YouTube thumbnail right inside Canva. Let's get into it. Creating your own custom thumbnail for your YouTube videos will greatly increase the interaction with your video. This is because your thumbnail will be the first thing anyone viewing your video will see. And the more attracted they are to the thumbnail, the more likely they will click on it to watch your content. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create thumbnails that will greatly drive engagement to your videos. When you log on to Canva, you have the recommended page depending on what you've been using so far, or you can just simply type up here in the top, YouTube thumbnail. Thumbnail. There you go, and that comes up as a suggestion. And here you'll have designs and templates you can basically choose from. For our example, I'm going to use a blank template. I like to add a background where I build everything else on top of. So I'm going to go into background here, and I'm going to use this one, blue, this blue gradient. So the first thing that I'm going to add to this is an image of myself to form part of my thumbnail. So I'm going to go into my uploads where I already have created this image with the white outline, which is also transparent. If you want to learn how to do this, I will leave a link in the cards and also in the description of a video I done earlier about how to add an outline to your image and also make it transparent. So I'm just going to click on that, and that will get connected to my template. One of the tips I will give is making sure that the subject is enlarged as possible. In this case, it's myself, and basically I'll just go about by increasing that and trying to place that in the best possible position on the template. Now I think this should be okay. Yeah, what about now? A cool thing you can also do is you can flip the orientation of this image. So I want my hand to be on the other side, so I'll just click on flip and flip horizontal, and that does that. And I also want to slightly exaggerate the way it's done, and then I'll just change the angle slightly. Also, I will do that and adjust it to the way I think is okay. So the next thing I want to add as an element is the Canva logo, because this video is about creating a thumbnail within Canva. So I'm just going to click on that as well and place that directly somewhere in the palm of my hands and adjust it accordingly. And that mimics me holding the Canva logo in my hand. Once I'm happy with that, again, I will, to make sure that this doesn't move anyway, or if I need to adjust it again, like I did in my previous video, I will just select both images by dragging the mouse, clicking the mouse and dragging across both images and choosing group. When I do that, as you can see, that moves in sync and nothing else, so nothing else changes. So I'll push that back into that corner. And the next thing I want to do is I want to add a bit of text in here. What I try and do is to add a text that alludes to the subject matter. In this case, it's a custom thumbnail. So I'll go into text and use one of the presets here, and I just add a heading. So I'll just bring that right here, I'll double click on it, and change the text to custom thumbnail, and just delete the rest of those. Okay, thumbnail, great. So I'll just expand that to have both on one line. And if I'm happy with that, I can also go ahead and change my thumbnail text. I can use horizon, or I could use archive black. And yep, that looks okay for me. So just click this here again and try and see if I can, yep, I can do that and bring that down right here. Also, what I can do is add an element like a background to this. So I can use a shape to further enhance my text. So we'll use one of these ones in here. Probably use one with that one over there. So no. So I can choose that. So I'll use white in there, and I'll probably use red as the I'll use white as the color, and then the outline I'll probably use red. Okay, so and I can also bring down the transparency slightly for that, and I'll just drag it over here and resize it like so. This is why it's important that you can group images together, so that way now I can readjust this slightly and expand so, and there we have it. Our thumbnail is ready. That's how easy it is. You can create your own thumbnail within Canva. If you find this helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one. Take care and God bless.